Hey guys, so I'm putting together a get home bag, and as you guys know, in a get home bag, you have tools and gadgets that can get you home if shit ever hits the fan. And one of the tools I selected after doing extensive research is a Leatherman multi-tool. And if you're gonna go with a multi-tool, then you have to go with a Leatherman. They have a proven track record that their tools gets the job done, rain or shine. And the particular tool that I chose is the Leatherman Rebar, for the simple fact that it's built tough and reliable. This tool has 17 different tools that, if you're ever in a bind, can help you get the job done. It has a needle nose pliers with interchangeable blade, wire cutter blade. If you ever damage them, you can change them out. It has file, standard screwdrivers, a small and large one, wire cutters, regular blade, serrated blade, saw. There's the can opener there. Phillips screwdriver head. And these are, when you take them out, they all lock in place. And to unlock it, you just simply press the tab. And it unlocks. Feels pretty good in the hand. Super light. I think it's perfect. I chose the black oxide simply because I wanted another level of protection from the elements, so it doesn't get rusted. Not that their stainless steel get, rusted. I just love the color black, and I wanted to go with this one. And it's a Leatherman for under $100. I think it was 79. I'll put a link in my bio. 79 bucks. You can't go wrong here for 79 bucks for a Leatherman. And it comes with a sheet. The sheet seems pretty strong. It's made out of leather. You can attach it to your backpack or attach it to your belt, and or just chuck it in your bag. I think it'll get the job done. But yeah, this is my short review of the Leatherman Rebar.